Hello everyone, this is part 4 of tutorial 1. Now, still we're dealing with 2D sketches. In this sketch, I can see that I have basically circles. So this circle, the inner circle, has a diameter of 20. The outer circle, it's not full complete circle. We will make a circle but we will cut from inside. It has a radius of 15, that means diameter 30. The right two circles are similar to the left two circles, so diameter 20, diameter 30. And in the center, I have one circle, diameter 40, and I have that hidden circle with diameter 60. The center lines means this circle is in the center of the shape. So if this is 100, that means to the right 50 and to the left 50. 80 and 15 here shows that the distance of this point from the reference point or origin. So it says 80 and 50 in x and y components. So I can have the reference anywhere. I will just select the reference to be in the center. So let's go and make the 1, 2, 3 full circles and 1, 2, 3 part of circles. Now if I open SolidWorks, new part, double click, I will have sketch in the front plane, for example, and I'll bring circle with a specific diameter of 40. Now this circle is fully defined because the center is known to be in the origin and the diameter is given to be 40. Now if I go to the other two circles, something to the left and right, so this is one circle and this is two circles. Smart dimension, diameter is given to be 20 and diameter is given to be 20. Now you can see that when I define the diameter, the circles are still blue. They are not fully defined because in x-axis they can move and in y-axis they can move. Now let's fix the x-axis movement. As we said, the distance between two centers is 50 and between circle and circle is also 50. Now in x-axis I cannot move them, but still in y-axis I can move them. So what I can do about this? I can make a relationship between center of the circle, control, center of that circle or the origin, and I will make them horizontal. So this circle now has a horizontal relationship with the origin. That's why now it's fully defined. This is still moving, but when I say center, control, origin, horizontal, the origin is always fixed, it cannot move. That's why the other circle will come down to be in the same horizontal reference or horizontal line. Now let's go and do the other circles, diameter 30, diameter 30, and diameter 60. When I measure the exact dimension, this is 30 and that is 30 and this is 60. So you can see that everything is fully defined. Now I only need to have the connecting lines between the circles, and I have to make the relationship between the line and the circles to be tangent. So I can start from any circle, for example this point, and you can see that this line now is not a tangent relationship. I have a specific location. If I use مثلا this line, you can see that it's a tangent relationship. If I want to stop, I cannot stop at this point because I can see that it's an intersection relationship, for example. Now if I go to a specific location, I can see the tangent relationship in the pencil, or I can stop anywhere, for example, and then I create the relationship between line, control, circle to be tangent. In this case I have to zoom in, I have to trim the end of this line. So I have to do this 4 times. I'll create a line and line, control, circle, tangent again, line, control, circle, tangent, so it's fully defined, and then I have to trim and trim. I can do this again for line in this location, and circle, line, tangent, escape, circle, control, line, tangent, escape. One more line for the last two circles, A and B. So circle, control, line, tangent, circle, and line to be tangent, and finally I can trim whatever I need. So it's sketches, trim, remove this line, and that line, remove part of the circle, circle, and circle, and finally this is my sketch, and you can see that it's fully defined. When I approve the sketch, you can see that we forgot to trim in here, so I can edit the sketch simply and trim this segment and confirm the sketch again, and features and extrude. So if I get the whole shape, I can select contours and remove the small circles, and the extrusion depends on the given question. So it says 25 inches, so that's 25 inches, and we are done. Thank you for watching the video.